These AI video editing tools are not just shaking things up, they are straight up redefining how creators work. In this video, I want to walk you through the best AI tools right now that will seriously streamline your workflow, make editing way faster, and let you focus more on ideas and less on grunt work. I have 5 favorites to show you, and heads up, the space moves fast, so an updated list is likely coming soon. Also, these aren't ranked, they're just great for different reasons, so stick around to catch all the options. Tool number 1, Descript. This one has been around for a while and for good reasons. It combines video editing, podcasting, screen recording, and transcription into one neat package. The killer part is the transcript-first approach. You import a clip, it transcribes everything, and then you literally edit your video like a text doc. Want to snip out that awkward pause or a filler word? Select the sentence, hit delete, and the clip is trimmed. You can drag and drop bits of audio and video around, just like cutting and pasting paragraphs. That alone removes a huge barrier for new editors. But Descript isn't just about text-based cutting. It auto-generates captions and subtitles with style options, lets you customize fonts and placement, and it has really solid audio processing tools. Studio Sound, for example, can take a noisy phone recording and make it sound like it was captured with a decent mic. I tested it with a windy street clip and the background was smashed down, volume leveled up, and my voice came through much clearer. Pricing-wise, there's a free tier that lets you export 720p and gives you 1 watermark-free export a month. To remove limits, you can go Creator at $12 a month or Pro at $24. Solid for creators who want an all-in-one editor plus podcast support. Tool number 2 is Gling. This one overlaps with Descript in that it transcribes and auto-cuts silences and ums, but where it really shines is in handling multiple takes. You upload your footage, it analyzes the transcript, spots repeated or messy lines, and then suggests an edited version by picking the best takes. It will gray out the parts it thinks should go and let you accept or tweak the suggestions. That feature alone scales your editing time down massively, especially if you shoot a lot of interviews or do single-host monologues with a bunch of retakes. You can export either a finished video or a project file for Final Cut or Premiere, which is great if you want to polish things afterward. The first video is free, and their subscription model sits at about $15 a month for up to 10 hours of footage, with pay-as-you-go overages. The catch? While Gling's automatic take selection is brilliant, it doesn't have the depth of manual control and extra features you get in more mature suites. If you want fine-grained color grading, motion graphics, or tons of effects in the same app, it may feel a bit light. Still, for raw speed and reducing editing overhead, it's killer. Next up, Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech. This is one of those underrated helpers. Go to podcast.adobe.com, sign in, and under Quick Tools, you'll find Enhanced Speech. It's audio first. Upload an MP3 or WAV extracted from your video, and it removes background noise and room echo while making speech sound like it was recorded in a studio. Their demo is impressive, and in my own test, I exported audio from my editing timeline, processed it in Adobe, and dropped the cleaned file back in. The difference was night and day, wind and traffic gone, clarity way up. Important note, this is audio only, so you still need to extract and re-import if you're working from video. That extra step is easy, but it makes Adobe Podcast more of a dedicated audio polish tool rather than a full editing ecosystem. Pricing is free to try, which is awesome for rescuing bad audio without shelling out for more expensive plugins. Tool number 4 is Opus Clip. This one focuses on turning long-form content into short clips automatically. Drop in a YouTube link or upload a file, and Opus will find likely viral segments, generate portrait format short videos, and even give each clip a virality score so you can prioritize what to post. It has active speaker detection too, so multi-person podcasts and streams get reframed to keep whoever's talking centered. Opus also auto-generates captions and proposes titles and descriptions for each clip, which is handy when you're trying to repurpose a long episode into snackable social content. They give you a free trial with 30 clips so you can test it, and their essential plan is priced for creators who want to push a bunch of clips every month. The trade-off is that Opus focuses on clip generation rather than scheduling or full-scale distribution. Once you have the clips, you still need a system to plan, schedule, and manage where each one lands. Tool number 5, CapCut. I've got to call this one out because it's everywhere. Mobile, desktop, Mac, Windows, and it packs serious AI features. Auto captions, text-to-speech, with a surprising variety of voices, background removal, beauty retouches, and flashy visual effects that used to require After Effects. Auto captions are quick and editable. The text-to-speech is great for placeholder narration or voiceovers, and the background removal does a decent job without a green screen. Most features are free, though there's a pro tier for some advanced stuff. CapCut is perfect for mobile-first creators who want powerful editing features on the go, but its weakness is scale and consistency. If you're trying to batch-produce clips from dozens of long videos and maintain unified branding, caption styling consistency, and scheduled posting across platforms, CapCut gets clunky. It's brilliant for quick edits and social posts, not so much for a managed, repeatable repurposing pipeline. So that's the short tour of 5 great tools. Each has its strengths. Descript for transcript, first editing, and studio sound, Gling for take cleanup automation, Adobe Podcast for audio rescue, Opus Clip for snippet generation and virality scoring, and CapCut for mobile creativity and effects. But here's the thing, if you are looking to scale content repurposing, think turning weekly long-form uploads into a steady stream of shorts that post automatically. You want a tool that ties the whole process together, not just pieces of it. Enter Vizard. Now, I'm not here to just sell you a product, but after using all these tools, I've found Vizard to be the one that nails the end-to-end repurposing workflow. First, the auto-editing viral clips feature is actually smart. Vizard scans your long videos, detects high-energy moments, hook lines, and attention spikes, and then creates ready-to-post short clips. Unlike tools that only cut based on silence or a transcript, Vizard looks for moments that tend to perform well. The one-liners, the surprise reveals, the big takeaways. Then there's auto-schedule. This is where a lot of creators get stuck. Generating clips is one thing, publishing them consistently is another. Vizard lets you set a posting frequency, and the AI will queue and publish your clips based on that schedule. You don't have to babysit every post. Set it, let it run, and spend your time creating instead of uploading. And finally, the content calendar. This is a game changer if you publish across platforms. Vizard gives you a single place to review scheduled clips, tweak captions, reassign thumbnails, and push content to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and more. You can reschedule, edit descriptions, and maintain brand consistency across every short. Compare that to Opus, which finds great clips but leaves scheduling to you. Or CapCut, which is great at editing, but not built for multi-platform publishing at scale. Vizard fills that gap. Also worth noting, while Descript and Gling have great transcript and edit features, they can get pricey when you need mass exports or multi-hour processing. Adobe Podcast is amazing for audio polish, but requires extra steps. CapCut is flashy and fun, but not ideal when you need a repeatable cross-platform workflow. With Vizard, you get a focused repurposing tool that's built around the realities of creators who want scale and consistency without adding dozens of manual steps. I don't want to pretend Vizard is a Swiss Army knife for everything. Sometimes you still want a deep editor like Premiere or Final Cut for final polishing, or you might prefer CapCut for a highly stylized mobile edit. But for the long-form to short-form pipeline, for getting clips that actually have a shot of going viral, scheduling them out, and managing everything in one calendar, Vizard is the glue that simplifies the whole thing. So what does a typical workflow look like? You upload your long video or hook a YouTube RSS, Vizard analyzes and generates candidate clips. You skim the suggested clips, pick thumbnails or let the AI pick, set your posting cadence, and the platform fills your content calendar and posts automatically. You can still export to edit in other tools if you want to polish, but for most creators, that level of automation saves hours every week. If you want step-by-step help building a scalable repurposing pipeline using any of these tools plus Vizard, I put together a free guide that walks through the exact process I use to turn one long video into dozens of shorts without losing quality. Grab the link on screen or in the description. All right, that's my roundup. Descriptive tools like Descript and Gling are incredible for transcript-led editing and take cleanup. Adobe Podcast will fix your audio disasters. Opus Clip is a quick way to mine long videos for viral bits. CapCut is a powerhouse for mobile editing and effects. But if you want a single workflow for turning long content into a steady stream of shorts, scheduling them, and managing everything in one place, Vizard is worth checking out. Thanks for sticking with me through the rundown. I'll keep testing new AI tools and update this list when something game-changing drops. Hit the description for links to all the tools I mentioned and that free guide. And if you've got a workflow you want me to try or a tool I missed, drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.